Hi, this is Dr. Rob Lipkowitz coming to you with this week's Rob's Reminder about what's involved in a dental makeover. If you suffer from missing, misaligned, broken, or worn teeth, and your goal is to have a beautiful smile, then understanding the steps involved in a dental makeover should be very interesting to you. There are many different types of restorations and dental materials used in enhancing and creating a beautiful smile, but the first thing I always want to know is why you're unhappy about the appearance of your teeth. Once I know this, I will take a series of photographs that help me design and plan a vision for your perfect smile. The next step is to take impressions of your teeth and mouth. With this, I evaluate how your teeth come together when you chew and move your jaws. I use this to help me design the restorations in a way so that it reduces the risk that they break down in the future. Step 3 is to apply wax to these models. With this, I will design and sculpt each tooth to its size, shape, and position for your ideal smile. During the next 2 stages, this waxed up model is used to create a mold, which then is used to make a chairside mock-up, where I will take temporary dental material, apply it to your teeth, and shape it so that we can get a really good idea about how you're going to look once your restorations are complete. If we like what we see, we take some new photographs, we make another impression to make some more models, and I use these as a guide during the actual dental work. Before starting your smile makeover, I will evaluate whether specialty care is needed for your treatment. If it is, I will meet with my team of specialists and we'll explore the different options that we have to reach your goals. Then you and I come together and we finalize your plan. Now we're ready to start treatment. The dental work involved for your dental makeover can vary widely. Rebuilding a smile can sometimes involve crowns, veneers, implants, bridges, orthodontic treatment, and even surgery, depending on the current condition of your teeth and gums, your overall dental health, and your final goals. By the time I finish your work, I will have restored your mouth 5 times. First, by visualizing and drawing. Second, by waxing up the models. Thirdly, by doing the dental mock-up. Fourth, during the temporary phase of your treatment. And finally, with your perfect smile. So as you can see, quite a lot goes into recreating a beautiful smile. So if you found this interesting today, please share it with your friends. Next week's Rob's Reminder will be about mouthwashes, the good, the not so good, when and why we use them. Thank you for watching today, and I hope to see your smiles soon.